U.S. General mini toolbox from the world famous Harbor Freight. Say whatever you want. I like it. Anyway, looks like that. 11 inches, 6 inches tall, 6 inches deep, drawers. There's the code. And anyway, here's the box. So you can open it up. Top, put, I don't know, pins in there maybe, or Sharpies. Drawer number 1. It's got lock and latches. Got a little pad in here so you don't scratch up your tools or your box. And you have the big drawer on the bottom, same thing. Yeah. Powder coated, nice, pretty. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in there yet, but yeah, I like it.